Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be talking about mistakes that YouTubers make. Mistakes that YouTubers make. I inclusive might be making this mistake. You that is watching this video right now might be making this mistake, okay? And my name is OGOM'S, a Nigeria YouTuber based in Abuja, FCT, Nigeria. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscribe button. Give this video a huge thumbs up and join my membership. Let's get right into the video immediately. Welcome back, guys. So you will be asking, what are the mistakes that I might be doing on my YouTube channel for which I'm not aware about, or just that is what we'll be talking about in this video. And I have written so many things down right here. I have written so many things down, and if you see me looking down, I'm trying to look at this particular book. And let's get right into the video. The first point I'll be talking about here is your thumbnail not representing what you're trying to portray in your video. Now, I have seen people make video and their title might be saying visiting the zoo. Now, if you're telling us that you have visited the zoo, we should be able to see pictures of animals in your thumbnail. But you will come and start putting your own pictures, maybe when you are doing like this, or even if you want to do a thumbnail picture of where you have visited the zoo, you can stand close to the animal, even if it's not the lion. Stand close to the antelope or stand close to the zebra and take a picture. Let us know that you have gone to the zoo. And not when you tell us that you have gone to the zoo, your thumbnail you'll be showing us apple or where you have where you cooked the goosey soup and you are putting the picture there. No, your thumbnail should represent the title for which you have put in your video and also the video itself. So always make sure that your thumbnail is representing your title and your video. Okay. Now the next thing that we'll be talking about is your title not saying what you have done in your video. Now, for example, if you have done a video on how to make egusi soup or how to make jollof rice, okay, you should tell us in your title how to make jollof rice or the secret way to get a yummy jollof rice, or how do I put it? Secret to red smoky jollof rice. But some people will come out in the title and come and start telling us, like they will just be giving us another title that is totally different from the video for which they have made. Please, your title should always represent your thumbnail. Your title should always represent your video. Let's take clickbait out of this, because it be like saying a babalawo title dey reign now. Some people go make jollof rice, but instead of us to put a normal title, how to make jollof rice, but because we want to involve babalawo title, we will say do this and your jollof rice will come out very nice. Anyway, we just have to be smart on the title that we are putting in our videos. And that way, people will know that this particular title that they're clicking on, they are coming to watch that particular video, and not for you to give us a different title and your video is portraying another title and your thumbnail is portraying another title. That is not what we want, okay? Now, another mistake that we YouTubers usually make is a particular scene being too long. Why would you be doing that particular thing? Okay, you're taking us to the market. Okay, even if you want to show us the main road, like Nazeze will say, Kilibe the main road. If you show us the main road for like some minutes, even if it's 30 seconds or 20 seconds or 1 minute, please cut it. Unless you're showing us, let me say, all these Dakar, Senegal, maybe when they're showing us road to Dakar, Senegal, we know that we are watching a full video of Senegal Road, or we know we are watching a full video of Onitsha Road or Aba Road. But if you know that you are including a road scene to your vlog, please just cut it to 1 minute. We don't need to watch 2 minutes video of main road. No, now it doesn't make sense. If you're cooking and you're washing your rice to make jollof rice, now your scene should always be very small. If you're watching that particular rice, if you're watching the rice should always be 30 seconds. If you're frying your stew, you're turning your stew, the scene should always be 20 seconds, small seconds. Even if you're showing us a very long scene, make sure you are explaining what it is that is happening in that particular scene, so that it won't be too long and people won't get bored and click out of that particular video. Another mistake that we YouTubers make is not reminding our audience to subscribe to our channel. Now, I see some people's video, the subscribe button is not even anywhere to be found in their video. Like, as you can see my own video, I think the subscribe button should either be here or here, anywhere. always remind your audience to subscribe to your channel. Now, if you're making your video, in between the video, ask your subscribers or ask your audience, have you subscribed to this channel? Please click on the subscribe button for which you can see. If you need to remind your audience to join your membership, tell them to always click on the join button for which they can see in this particular video, or you tell them to click on the notification bell, that bell for which they can see close to the subscribe button. Always remind our audience to subscribe to our channel, to join our social media platform for which you can see my own. I think my Instagram should be here or here. Anywhere it is, you will just be seeing it anywhere here. So let's always remind our audience to subscribe to our channel. Let's remind them to join our membership. Let's remind them to join anything that we want them to join. We shouldn't forget that. That is another mistake for which you should always avoid, okay? Now, another mistake for we YouTubers make is not being loud enough. Irrespective of me using a mic, I have a very loud voice. So no bugo don't know again. When they nada like this, nada ta 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 like this. But if you know that you don't have a very loud voice, please get a mic. You don't need to get the very expensive one. There are still friendly or fairly budget mic for which you can get. There are ones that they sell for 8,000, 5,000. You can just check on Jumia for mics for which you can buy in order to couple up or rather support your very low voice. Even when some people use their mic, that's still very low. So always make sure you are loud enough. You increase your phone or the just increase your phone whenever you're making your video so that your voice will be loud enough that your audience will be able to hear you. You can't come out to make your video. My name is Ogomebu. Who are you the bedroom? Who are you talking to? You are talking to human beings. You're talking to people all over the world. You should be loud enough for people to hear you. In that way, they're not clicking out your video, clicking out of your video. So if you're still making this mistake, be loud enough. If you can't afford a mic, be loud enough. Then if you know that you're not loud enough and you are buoyant enough to afford a mic, please get a mic, okay? In that way, people will not click out of your video, all right? Yeah. Now, another mistake that we YouTubers make is our video being unnecessarily long. Yeah. If you need to pass your message within 5 minutes, pass your message within 5 minutes and move to the next scene. If you need to compile plenty vlogs, there are some vlogs that will be unnecessarily long. Please, if you know that you're still a growing YouTuber or an upcoming YouTuber, I don't see a reason why your video should be unnecessarily long if you know that you don't have a reasonable thing to pass in your video. You can't go and be copying big YouTubers that will post 1 hour vlog and people will still watch. Why you that is still growing, you will go and post 1 hour vlog? Who will watch it? I know there are still people that watch long vlogs, but if you know that your audience don't like long videos, please, there is no need for you putting out long videos when you know your audience will not watch that particular video. But please, let's try as much as possible to watch people's video. If you see an 8 minute video, please watch it from beginning to end. If you know that you can watch it from beginning to end, please try as much as possible to watch that video, at least half and quarter of that particular video before you subscribe to that person's channel. My own opinion and my own perspective is for you to watch people's video from beginning to end before you subscribe to their channel. Choose a video that is short for you to watch before you subscribe to people's channel. I don't like whereby you will say that you watch someone's video, half of it before subscribing. I don't really like that. For me, I feel that subscribe will not count. So what I always do is that I bring out my time, choose a video that I know that I will watch from start to finish before subscribing to people's channel. In that way, my subscribe will count for that particular channel. So that is another mistake for which we are making our videos unnecessarily long when you know you are not passing a very important information or a relevant information in your video. Some people will just make their video unnecessarily long so that it will get to 8 minutes and they will put ads inside. No, pass a message, value added information. Even if you want to post a very long video, let it have meaning, let it have sense, okay? Another mistake for which you might be making on your YouTube channel is not being entertaining enough. Maybe you can entertain your audience with emoji or meme. Hey, memes. Like now, I'll be talking, you will see the next clip now.
When I want to explain it, my head will be headache me. Yeah.
Now, if you need to go to TikTok and get all these Aki and Popo videos, you will just be putting it in between your video. Like, I usually like the one that Chisom David usually play. Maybe I will say a particular thing. Maybe my skin is butter. butter. You will hear a video that will play after I have said that my skin is butter. Maybe I must have gotten it from TikTok. So if you need to put emojis, maybe you have saved something that is funny, you can put emoji by the side of the video, whereby an emoji that is laughing just in between your video. In that way, you are entertaining your audience. Okay. If you need to speak with charisma, please speak with charisma. You can't keep being like this. You will make your video from beginning to finish. Your shoulders are not moving, your hands are not moving. Like now, like what? Are you a statue? Ibu alose, ibu halose. Make sound, make body. Even if you are not shouting in the other room, please make your video fun, make your audience fun.
Biggie biggie, heavy heavy, baby do you want me? But trust me, not too many fly like me. You big daddy holler me.
Them, please. If you need to use emoji, make use of emoji. If you need to use memes, please make use of that in order for your audience to be happy while watching your video. So if you know that you're making this mistake, please. Yes, I think this should be the first mistake I should have talked about. When your name is too long and that people cannot search it. Like my name now, my name is Ogom'S Halike. If I put Ogomebunam, some people might even be searching for Ogomebunam. They haven't searched for the Ezehalike. They will just give up. People don't like things that will stress them. You see anything that will stress people on this YouTube, they don't like it again. Like you should have a name that embodies, entails. Hey, Oyibo, you should have a name that covers everything that you're doing on your channel. Some people's name are very long, that are unnecessarily long. People like a very short name. Like now, OGOM'S series. I see some people, their name is Princess Okonkwo Eunice. Who won't search am? Who will search it? Some people even prefer you sending your link to them. They will just click on your link, search for your video, and go and watch it. But it's advisable for people to search for your name. In that way, it's coming up on the YouTube search when people want to search for your name. So if you know that your name is too long, please try as much as possible to try to get a name that will cover everything that you're doing on your channel. Sandra's World, Sandra's Reality. Come on, go away. I'm calling your name now. Just let me see you under this comment section now. I'm watching you again. Sandra's World. Don't show her this video before they will come for me. So you should get a name that entails what you're doing on your channel. Princess World, Princess Reality, Princess Family, or Family Vlog, anything that you want to name, but just make sure that the name is searchable and the name is not long. So if you're still having a very long name, I'm not saying it's left for you to choose the name that you want on your channel, but make it searchable for people. Okay? Yeah. Another thing or another mistake for which people make. Another mistake that YouTubers make is not smiling when they're trying to pass a particular message. Even if you're coming to come and rant, in between your rants, be smiling for us. Show us your teeth, even if it's brown. Smile. You need to put up a smile whenever you're talking to people. You need to put up a smile because that smile you're showing to people might be melting some people's hearts. Okay? Some people are going through a lot. And watching your video, they can still come and be seeing a bony face with you when you know that they're also going through a lot. So try as much as possible to smile. Try as much as possible to pass your message with charisma. Try as much as possible to pass a message with a smile on your face. Some people are coming to this YouTube to watch videos that will make them smile after a stressful day, after having an argument or a misunderstanding with people, and they can't come to YouTube and still be seeing your bony face. Try and have a smile when trying to make your videos. Am I making sense? I think I'm now missing my English. Anyway, these are all the things that I know that mistakes that YouTubers make. Okay, whenever I see people holding their mic like this, I tend to get distracted. You should have a place that you're fixing your mic, but I just brought this out because I have finished my video. So if you know that there are other mistakes that YouTubers make, okay, I think one tip I'll be leaving on this particular video is if you need to use transitions in between your video, like now you're making a vlog and your next clip to the vlog, try to make transitions, try to make use of transitions. There are different transitions on our editing app. Like for InShot, if you go to InShot and click on transitions in between your videos, you will see something that is circle. I will make a video and put here something like clock. When you click on it, it will bring out different transitions for you. When you click on them, you will see different transitions. Like after I finish saying this particular thing now, the next clip, it might be coming, the video might be coming from up, or it will just be dropping from down. You will see some once it will be sliding left or right. So these are different transitions you can use. Try to make use of them. Some of these things, our audience love it, but they can't come and start telling us in the comment section, because it's not everyone that can accept mistake, or it's not everyone that takes correction with good heart or in good. Anyway, you get what I'm saying. It's not everyone that likes people correcting them. They all feel that I too know, or I know it all. So if you try as much as possible to make use of fun transitions on your video. In that way, you are entertaining this our audience, because it's the more that our audience is entertained, that's the more they will spend on our videos, and that's the more our audience retention will be increasing, and that's the more time our view duration will be increasing, and that's the more time they're spending on our videos that they're not clicking out of it, and that's the more time that our revenue is yielding and they're watching our ads. So if you know the things that you need to put in place in order to keep our audience glued to our video to watch from start to finish, try to learn them, try to implement them on our videos. I know that I will finish making this video, but for some people to implement it will be very hard. It's one thing to go for a masterclass, and it's another thing for you to implement what you have learned in that masterclass. So if you know other mistakes that YouTubers are making, or even the mistake that I'm making, please drop it in the comment section. If this is a video that you genuinely like, I know you love it, I know you like it, please give me thumbs up. If you haven't, please subscribe to my channel. My goal this year is to get to 20,000 subscribers or more this year. I have manifested into my channel. I want to get to 30,000 subscribers. I've changed my goal now. It's now 30,000 subscribers. So please join my membership. Is another way for which you can support my channel. Share this video, share all of my videos, and I will definitely see you in my next one.